Food allergies can cause all sorts of problems for young children and can sometimes be so severe they threaten the health of your child.
All right, let's get to Matt Stewart live. Matt, tell us all about it.
Good morning. Yeah, we're up at the Hy-Vee up in the Northland off of 64th and I-29, and I will tell you, when you're a new parent, you have a small baby, there's a lot of concern about what kind of foods you're going to feed this baby and if they might have an allergic reaction. You think about peanuts. That's a big concern. I have a doctor with me, a pediatrician. This is Dr. Khaleghi with Meritas Health Pediatrics. And tell us a little bit, first of all, what are some of the most common allergens that parents need to be aware of?
So 3 of the most common allergens that can affect kids are tree nuts, peanuts, and seafood. The good news is that most children will actually outgrow these allergies by 5 years of life. So the way to decrease the development of these allergies is to introduce these foods as early as 4 to 6 months of age, because studies actually show that the earlier you introduce these food items, the less likely a child is to develop these allergies. Now, when introducing these foods, I recommend introducing 1 food item every 3 to 5 days. So if your child does develop an allergic reaction to one of these high food allergens, then you know what food item it's to.
So for instance, you're not going to want to give your infant a whole peanut butter sandwich, right? But maybe a little spoonful of peanut butter and just wait and see. Like, what are some of the reactions? What are the parents looking for?
So first, what I would recommend is mixing the peanut butter in food that the child has already been introduced to. So like oatmeal, applesauce, something that it can just be mixed in really simply. Now, if the child's going to have an allergic reaction, it's going to happen up to 2 hours after ingestion. And big things that you will see for minor allergic reactions would be skin rashes, like hives. Big reactions would be swelling, difficulty breathing, nausea, vomiting, even loss of consciousness.
This is some great information. I could talk to you all day about this, and we are. We're going to talk to her in our next hour a little more about allergies and your children, and some great advice there on how to introduce some of these foods to make sure that they stay safe. And just the fact that they can outgrow those allergies also is very comforting, I think, to a lot of parents out there. Matt Stewart, Fox 4 News.